Let's make a tea syrup. When researching this recipe, I do what I do for making any syrup, really. I look it up online, and there are a lot of recipes for tea syrup online, and they're all basically the same. 1 part tea, 1 part sugar. So I would like to say that I came up with this recipe, but I really didn't. Tea syrup is tea syrup. What is going to make a difference in your tea syrup is the type of tea you use. And I'm going to be making a recipe from the 12 Bottle Bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Solmonson that requires a black tea syrup. And so that's what I used, was a black tea. Funny little story, or a dumb little story, depending on how you look at it. I went to the grocery store looking for black tea. I only found one box that actually said black tea on it. And that's this one, Bigelow Constant Comment Black Tea, decaffeinated. So I bought it, and I came home and I showed my wife what I got, and she says, you know, Earl Grey is black tea as well. I'm like, no, I guess I didn't know that since I don't really enjoy tea. So there you have it. I bought some tea that I didn't need to make a syrup that I want to make for a flavor that I don't really care for to make a drink that sounds really good. Anyway, this tea syrup is 1 part sugar and 1 part tea, and I only have half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to put that in my saucepan. And now I'm going to put half a cup of freshly brewed tea into my saucepan as well. See if I can do this. I'm going to do this over this little bowl so I don't spill too much in. And by in, that means the saucepan or my countertop. Now I'm going to take this to the stovetop. Here on the stovetop, I'm going to turn this on to a very low heat. And I'm going to stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Now that the sugar's dissolved, I'm going to remove it from the heat. And I'm going to let it cool to room temperature. I'll be back with you in a bit. Now that the syrup is room temperature, I'm going to bottle it, label it, and refrigerate. Oh, I gotta be careful here. I don't want to overfill. Fancy bottles if you have them. Mason jars work fine. Fancy labels if you have them. Masking tape works fine. So we have black tea, 1:1, and today's date is April 14th, 2026. And there you have it, a tea syrup. Enjoy. Question of the day, what should I use this black tea syrup for other than the drink I had planned? Let me know in the comments down below. Double points if it's rum-based, triple points if you give me the recipe. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below to make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at those social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time.